Assalamualaikum, welcome to Pharma Inform. Today we will discuss most commonly asked intro questions related to the pH meter. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button, and now let's start our video. The first question is that what is the pH? Many of us are not familiar with the abbreviation of pH. pH stands for the potential of hydrogen. pH is an important test which is used for various solutions, and if the pH value for any solution is low, it indicates that hydrogen ion concentration is higher in the solution and solution will be the acidic. If the pH value for any solution is high, it indicates that hydrogen ion concentration is low and the solution will be the basic. The next question is that what is the pH meter? pH meter is an instrument or device which is used for measuring the pH of any solution. The next question is that what is the working principle of pH meter? The pH meter works on the principle of potentiometry. Potentiometry is the measurement of solutions electric potential. In the pH meter, the electric potential is measured by using two electrodes to create a electric circuit. One of these electrodes is known as a reference electrode, and it contains a substance of known electric potential, and other electrode known as sensor electrode inserted into the solution being tested. Electric potential is the difference that results from comparing the reference electrode to the sensor electrode. The next question is that what is the pH scale? pH scale is the scale having values from 1 to 14, and this scale is used to check the pH of the solution. The next question is that what are the types of pH meter electrodes? Three types of electrodes in pH meter are used. These are glass electrode, reference electrode, and the combination gel electrode. The next question is that what is the best solution used to store the electrode of pH meter? KCl solution or potassium chloride solution is the best solution which is used to store the electrode of pH meter. The next question is that why we use KCl solution for the electrode storage? The KCl solution is used because KCl prevents the leakage or evaporation of the solution. The next question is that can we store electrode in the distilled or deionized water? The answer is that no, we cannot store the electrode of pH meter in the distilled or deionized water. What is the reason? Because it will result in leaching of ion from the glass bulb. Next question is that can we leave electrode dry? No, we should always keep the electrode in the moist condition. Next question is that can we stir our solution during pH checking? Yes, we can stir our solution during the pH checking. Next question is that what are the temperature ranges for the pH meter electrode calibration? As per USP, we should calibrate our pH electrode at the temperature 25 plus minus 2 degrees centigrade, and as per BP 20 to 25 degrees centigrade. The next question is that how many type of buffers are used for the pH meter standardization? 5 types of pH buffer solutions are used for the pH meter standardization. Next question is that what are the pH values for these 5 types of the buffer solution? The pH values are 1.68, 4.01, 6.86, 9.18 and 12.45. These are the 5 pH values for the buffer solutions. Next question is that what are the sources of variation in pH measurement with the glass electrode? There are 5 sources of variation in the measurement, and these may be the alkaline error, acidic error, temperature error, calibration error, and dehydration of the electrode. These are all most commonly asked interview questions related to the pH meter. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. Do subscribe my channel, visit my website pharmainform.com to read more interesting articles. If you are looking for job, visit my website thepharmacistjobs.com. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.